I am Vinay Aditya. Now today I'll start about that mathematics model paper 2A of senior intermediate. Now I'll start with the section A. The section A first question answer. A plus IB by A minus IB. Rationalize the denominator. A plus IB by A minus IB into A plus IB divided by A plus IB. So numerator is in the form of A plus B into A plus B, that is A plus B whole square, by denominator is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus IB whole square. Now the next step is open the brackets of numerator. It is in the form of A plus B whole square, A square plus I square B square plus 2ABI divided by A square plus A square minus of minus B square, because the I square value is minus 1. So now I can able to write that numerator is A square minus B square plus 2ABI divided by A square plus B square. Now making the by parts, so real part is A square minus B square by A square plus B square plus I into 2AB by A square plus B square. So real part is A square minus B square by A square plus B square, and imaginary part is 2AB by A square plus B square. This is a question, first one answer.